Hey YouTubers and anyone else watching. Yeah, just dropping one of the banks that got to 4.4 after charging. Just thought I'd check it, but yeah, well, I should drop it to 4.2 at least, or just under. So yeah, the other ones were about 4.08, so nearly 4.1. So even though the inverter said 12.6 or whatever, or 12.5, yeah, I just checked the one on the far one closer to the screen there, and yeah, got a surprise. It was 4.41 something. So yeah, she's still dropping. So anyway, that's what can happen. There's no balancing stuff on this yet. So yeah, would be an idea to get something on there shortly. Yeah, so we don't have any accidents, I suppose, or problems. So anyway, alright, cheers guys.